up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. Today's video is definitely a little bit different from anything I've put up on my channel. I got myself a new little beauty back here, and I kind of wanted to do a little unboxing and show you what items come with this mixer. If you guys don't know, I do have my own cookie business where I make decorated sugar cookies. I kind of started off doing it just for fun, and then a bunch of people have asked, can I please buy your cookies? Can I please buy your cookies? So I kind of have turned it into a little business. I do have a Cottage Foods baking license with the city that I live in, so I am 100% legit, but I will say that the license I got prevents me from making sales online and shipping orders. I have to do all of them face to face. So I know a couple of you guys have asked if you could purchase my cookies, and unfortunately, I cannot. But in a year from now, when I have to renew, I might get the other license that allows me to ship cookies. If you guys still want to check out some of the work that I've done, I will leave my cookie Instagram linked down below. If this is something that you are interested in, then just keep watching. Okay, so this is the regular KitchenAid mixer that I've been using. This was my grandma's, and when she passed away, I took it 12 years ago, before I even thought I was going to have my own little cookie business. It is a 4.5 quart, just like your basic stand mixer. It's this off-white, weird color, and it's definitely getting discolored. It works just fine, so that's why I never felt the need to buy a new one. But I felt with this cookie business and the fact that it's booming, it's time to upgrade. So let me push this boy over here and show you what I bought. I bought a new and improved pearl white 7 quart as opposed to that 4.5 quart KitchenAid mixer, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and unbox this baby. While I'm unboxing it, I will tell you that I ordered this on QVC, and they were doing 3 easy payments, so they pretty much just split the total into 3 and you pay that each month. There's no interest on that, and I just feel like it's a better way to do it than having to pay all at once, because these do go for, it's either $6.29 or $6.49. Let me check. Okay, so these are usually $629 for the Pro line 7 quart mixer, which is a lot of money. However, there was a waiting list, so when I ordered it, it was the $6.29, and I was waiting for 2 months for this. 2 months, they still hadn't shipped it because it was, like I said, a waiting list. Then I checked 2 months later, I logged into my QVC account just to see what's going on, and I'll be damned if this was not on sale for $4.99. So I canceled the previous order since they hadn't shipped it yet, and repurchased, or got on the waiting list, and I got it for $4.99, which I thought was a much better deal. So I would say after that point, it was maybe another month or so, and this beautiful baby was at my door. So the first thing, they have a little sheet with all of the accessories you can buy to go with it, which is so cool. Oh, you can get different bowls also. That's so cool. I really want to get the one where you can spiralize zucchini, because your girl loves some zoodles. Okay, I'm gonna need to put this on the ground and I think lift it out. Should I do it that way? Yes. All right. Ooh, give me a minute. All right. Wow. You guys, this is not good. It's like I got my workout in for the day. Wow. Okay. Okay, this is significantly bigger than my old one. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, that was a struggle. Okay, so it did come with 4 items here. The first one is this spiral dough hook. I believe this is mainly for making bread, which I've never attempted, but I kind of want to. And then it came with this one here, which is just your basic coated metal beater. And then also 11 wire stainless steel elliptical whip. And then also came with a cover, which I thought was cool because this should fit right on top. And sometimes when you're mixing, stuff flies out. So I think this is cool that, and you're able to feed more ingredients in as it's, you know, mixing in there. So that is freaking cool. I'm really excited about this. I wish my old one had one of these. That would have saved me a lot of hassle of cleaning up afterwards. So this one is definitely significantly bigger than my old one. I'm gonna put them next to each other just so you guys can kind of get an idea. Definitely a big boy, but I'm gonna definitely be able to do double batches in this one instead of just doing one batch at a time with this smaller one. So I'm excited. So this one of course has this little area here where you can add other attachments. Like I said, I want to get that veggie spiralizer one because I love zoodles. And then the difference between both of these is that this bowl over here just kind of screws in from the bottom, and this one is actually like elevated, so there is nothing attached down here. What you do is you swing this arm and it lowers it, and then you take the bowl right off. And the bowl is a good size, and I love that it has a handle, so it'll be nice and easy to, you know, mix whatever I'm mixing. Easy as that. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love that I got the pearl white one as well. I want to say the black one was available this whole time, but I wanted to hold out and wait for this pearl white one to come back in stock because it's just so beautiful and goes with my white kitchen. So I love it. This mixer has a total of 10 speeds, so that is nice. This one also had 10 speeds actually, but I am ready to bake. I'm actually making dough later today after work, so I might get a couple clips of me using it and put it in this video for you guys. Guys are avid bakers and are interested in this, I will leave it linked below. Right now it is on sale again for 20% off, so it's $499, and they're doing 4 easy payments. So I think right now I'm paying $182 for the next 3 months, but right now it's 4 easy payments, so it's $125 a month for the next 4 months. So if you guys are bakers or enjoy baking and would like a larger size mixer, I will leave that linked below. I think that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this super random video. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.